All right, now this time I'll show you how to switch from Naira to USDT. So assume you have Naira and you want to buy USDT. Click on wallets. That's from the home page. Click on wallets and then click on spot wallet. Now you have Naira in your account that you just deposited. In this case, I have 6,005. That's it there. This time I will scroll down to USDT because what I want to do is to buy USDT. USDT is US dollar theta, or tether rather. That's its value is tied to the US dollar. So I'll scroll down to USDT, select it, and then look for USDT/NGN. I'll click on it. You can see that currently one USDT goes for 484.54 Naira. That's 484 Naira 54 kobo. I'm going to, as I did before, I can use 2 decimal points, 1 decimal point, or even 1 decimal and so on. But for USDT, it doesn't fluctuate so rapidly. So most times I use my 2 decimal points or 1. If I want to buy using market order, you know how to do that already. Switch from limit to market. And then if I want to use all the money I have, I can click on 100%. If I want to determine how much Naira I use, I can write 3,000 Naira, for example. The minimum is 500 Naira. So if I type 500 Naira, at market price, it will simply buy once I click on buy USDT. Now it has bought. If I check sell, I'll see 1.02897 USDT. That's how much it bought at market price. But let's check the order history. Click that button there. Check the order history and click on USDT engine. What you'll see here is that I bought 1.03 USDT at 484 Naira 56 kobo. However, I was charged a fee of 0.00103. That is 1/1000 of USDT. One over 1,000 of the value of what I bought. On the other hand, I can, to buy at market price, I can still click on amount, and this time I indicate how much USDT I want to buy. Maybe it's 1 or 2. I can click on buy USDT. It has bought. Now I have 3.02697. I'm buying in little pieces so I can show you the different ways of buying once again. And if you check the order history again, you'll see that I have bought that. It has charged me once again 1/1000 of the value of what I bought as a fee. That's the fee right there. Now using a limit order, click on market, change it to limit. I can decide to buy at 480. So I place an order to buy at 480 whenever the price of USDT drops to 480. I can decide to sell all that I have at that, or to buy, use all the Naira I have to buy at that price. What I've done here is to click on 100%. It has calculated for me how much USDT I can buy using all of my Naira, or almost all of it. And that's 10.49 USDT. Or alternatively, I can type here 480, right? That's the price at which I want to buy. And then I type how much Naira I want to use to buy. Let's say 2,500 Naira at that price. Automatically, it has calculated for me the amount of USDT I'm going to get. That's 5.2 USDT. On the other hand, I can type in how much USDT I want to buy. Let's say 7 USDT. Automatically, it has calculated for me how much that will cost in Naira at the price at which I've indicated. But in this situation, because I want to switch instantly, I'm going to click on the lowest available sell order, which is at 484.98. That means that's the lowest price at which somebody somewhere in the market is currently willing to sell. 44.97. I'm going to click on 100%, to use all the naira I can use to buy that amount at that price, and it has indicated that what I'm going to get is 10.39 USDT. And so I click on buy USDT, and now I've converted all my holdings to 1.0849 NGN. So if I check sell, I'll see 13.40658 USDT. And of course, if I want to switch back to naira, I can choose to sell at 490. Can wait till it rises to 490, sell all of it at that price. Click on sell. What I've just done is to place a sell order. You can see down there I have an open order to sell 13.4 USDT at 490 naira per USDT. Now let's see the order history for the last one I bought using a limit order. It still charged me 1/1000 of a USDT. So in this case, the market order is charging the same fee as the limit order. It's not always that way. In addition to that, one of the things I can do to make my buying and selling cheaper is to have some BNB. Check this out. If I convert to get some BNB here, I can convert the little I have, the little naira I have left to BNB. But in order to have a little more BNB than that, what I'm going to do here is convert. I'm going to cancel this order. I want to have about $1 worth of USDT. So I'm going to sell about 500 worth of USDT, or rather I'm going to secure part of my USDT in a sell order, maybe at 490. I know it can't sell at that price immediately, so if I create a sell order at that price, 12.4 USDT, I instruct it to sell at that price. So it creates an order. What I have left is 1 USDT and a little naira, 1 naira. Now I want to convert that. I can always convert my small assets to BNB every 6 hours. So I have some USDT and some NGN. I can click on convert all. It has shown here and here the amount of BNB I'm going to get. So I can convert all. And now I have a little BNB. That's Binance Coin. That's the native coin of Binance. I have 0.0223 BNB, worth about 98 cents. All right. Now, if I go back to carry out a trade, just for your benefit, so you can see how much it's going to charge me this time. Let's say I want to sell my USDT, about 2 USDT at 484 naira, the highest available sell order. I click on sell. Network is a bit slow there, but it's okay. Check the order history. Having sold 2 USDT to get 968 naira. This time it's not charging me naira, neither is it charging me USDT. It's charging me in BNB, 0.0000339 BNB. If you want to check the value of what it has charged you in BNB on a trade of 968 naira, just so you see how it's better to have BNB to carry out trades or to pay fees, you can type in here 0.0000. Okay, so it's too small to type in the BNB section. Try 339. That's 7237. Now so what you're paying is 0.0000339 BNB. It's a fraction of that 7237650. If you calculate it, it's going to come to, okay, maybe an easy way is that at 21,457, how much is that amount of BNB worth? 21,457 times 0.0000339. What it has charged me is 72 kobo on a trade of 968 naira. If you divide that by 968 naira, it has charged me 0.0, okay, then times 100, it has charged me 0.075%. Whereas ordinarily with other coins, it charges me 0.1%. So you can reduce the fees you pay by 25% by simply using BNB. How do you set up your account to use BNB for paying commissions? You go to the home page, click on the profile button, click on fee discount. To use BNB to get discount, you can see here that I have already activated use BNB to pay fees. I can deactivate it, I can reactivate it to enjoy a 25% discount on trading fees. I can use the same thing to pay margin interest and enjoy a 5% discount. I've activated that now, and that's how to use BNB. Here you can switch between light mode and dark mode by clicking on that button in that corner. You see, I always prefer dark mode, it's easier to work with. Alright, so we've converted our funds to USDT, and we have a little for BNB. Let me convert this naira back to USDT so that we have everything in form of USDT. Alright, so I've converted it back to USDT, and I have almost everything in form of USDT. So right now I have 12.39 USDT. I will now proceed to transfer that amount of USDT to my USDT margin wallet. This is the wallet to use, Futures wallet. Alright, you see USDT-S-M, that's USDT margin futures. To transfer there, I can transfer from here, automatically brings this out, or I can go to the spot wallet and transfer from there. It brings this out, spot wallet to P2P wallet, but I can click on P2P to change it to USDT margin futures, and then click on maximum. I transfer all the USDT, or I can type how much USDT I want to transfer, maybe 10 or all of it, and then I click on transfer. Now that has happened. Now, so I can use BNB in my trading in futures. I'm also going to transfer BNB. So I can click on transfer once again, click on USDT margin futures. So I can use BNB to pay commissions. It's very advantageous to use BNB to pay commissions. It prevents the changing of your liquidation price without your knowledge. You can click on maximum and then transfer all the BNB. So if I go now, so what I have left there is Naira. If I go now to the futures wallet and I check I scroll down, okay, before scrolling down, I have 12.39 USDT. You will not see the BNB balance here. And by the way, when you click on this eye symbol, you can hide your balance and you can reveal it. Now if I scroll down, I can click on assets and see how much USDT I have. That's 12.39, out of which I can withdraw all, and 0.02 BNB. It usually shows only 2 decimals, and I can withdraw all of it if I want, but I'm not going to withdraw. I'm going to use it to trade. And that's the next thing. Now I've opened futures.